Chukas, chapter 1, Mishnah 2. Shimon the righteous was among the survivors of the great assembly. He used to say, the Torah depends on three things: on Torah study, on the service of God, and on kind deeds. Now, what do these three things have in common with this week's Torah portion? Torah study is connected to Moses. The reason being is that Moses was the one who gave us the Torah. God gave the Torah to Moses to give to us. He therefore taught us the Torah. So Torah study is equal to Moses. The service of Hashem is equal to Aaron HaKohen. And the reason is because of his position as Kohen Gadol. It was Aaron's job to sacrifice, to bring sacrifices from the people of Israel to Hashem in the tent of meeting, and it was his job that we went to him in order to serve Hashem. He was there to answer our questions for service Hashem. What needed to be done, he was there for us. On kind deeds. This is Miriam. Miriam was a midwife in Pharaoh's court, in Pharaoh's palace. But there's more to that than why she is kind deeds. She's equal to Chesed, which is kind deeds. She represented everything that we needed to be as people. Refinement. She had that. And because of her, the people of Israel merited to have this refinement. In this Parasha, we learn about Miriam's death at the age of 126. We learn about Aaron, his death at 123. And we learn about Moses going to be killed also at 120. We don't necessarily learn their ages this week's Parasha, but we do find out that they all three either will die or have died in this Parasha. Now, Miriam was connected to the well that gave the water to the people of Israel in the desert. For 40 years, the well followed the people around, giving them water whenever they needed. It was the miracles of Miriam, because she followed her brother Moses when he was drifting in the basket in the ocean, in the water, all the way to Pharaoh's palace. She risked the waters to follow her brother, and because of that, we merited to have the water. Now, after Miriam died, we lost our refinement. We committed an act that led to Moses, his death. Now, the act was that we fought back to Moses. We fought against Moses as a people, saying, why did you bring us to this land to die in the desert? Why did you not leave us in Egypt? We were fine there. Why did you bring us to this land? Moses was given by Hashem. Hashem says to Moses, speak to this rock that's in front of us, and water will come out of it. Now the rock, it went in it, put itself around other rocks. So Moses did not know which rock it was. When Moses spoke to a rock, no water came out. So Moses hit the rock. He struck the rock twice, and finally water came out. This act led to Moses being killed and dying, and not being allowed to go into Israel. Lesson we can learn from this situation: it's not to argue with our teachers. Our rabbis, our teachers are not there for us to go against, to challenge them in an open forum. Our teachers and our rabbis are there to teach us. To teach us how to be better Jews. To teach us our history as Jews. And how to live a better life. Miriam was gone, and we lost our refinement that she embodied. On that cue of Miriam dying, we attacked Moses in words. Speech hurts. You might find now, you look on YouTube or on TV, you see commercials or ads for speaking properly. You see commercials on not saying the G word, gay, or something else, different word, retard, and R, the R word. These are here to teach us that speaking properly is the right thing, because words, they hurt more than we know. So many people have lost their lives, committed suicide because of words. Not just an action, not just someone fighting them and hitting them, but of what they said. Bruises heal. A punch to the face, a punch to the arm, it will heal. But words, they go deep down inside you. They strike you inside because it's someone who's taking the effort to say them, to think of what to say and to go out and say it. That person is someone you do not want to be around, but someone you might want to help and try to help change them for the better. The people of Israel spoke out against Moses, costing us our leader, our teacher, costing us everything that we had. That was good. My bracha to you all watching is that you will merit to use your words properly, that you won't use negative speech against anybody, that you won't make fun of somebody or talk badly about them. Remember, words hurt. You can't take it back once you say them. So think before you speak. Have a good Shabbos, a beautiful weekend, and I'll see you next week. Shabbos.